recording also, sir. Yeah, recording is in progress, and let's start. So from last webinar, I have told okay. Last webinar, I have explained that how much capital do you need, something like it's, I'll be briefing 10 minutes, sir, 10 minutes from the last webinar. So from last webinar, I have told you how much capital do you need really. So I said that your 3 months of income, 3 months of income, whatever it is, from your rents and all, rent, salary, other source of income, whatever it is, find it and keep right on the paper and calculate it in a month. So into 3, that means your 3 months of salary, right? Whatever it is, X. Okay. So X should be your capital. X should be your capital. Mine is something like 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Fine. Everybody has their own income. Everybody has their own income sources. Whether it be interest of that you are having you have lended some money or something, but fine, that X is your capital. So what I have told you is, let me erase this one. Where is this clean option? I'll have to check it, this one also. Okay, 3 months and okay, clear option is there. That X is your X is your capital, and then this is the beginner's way. This is for the beginners. I'm suggesting you to X is your capital. Okay, from the beginners to middle of the advanced traders, like if you're a beginner, then that should be your capital, and if you're coming to an advanced stage, then that will be, everybody wants some kind of money. Rashikar, give me 50,000 from the market in every month, or I am expecting 30,000 returns in a month. Otherwise, I'm expecting 50,000 returns in a month. That's okay, fine for you. But we are taking into 25,000 returns. If I want 25,000 returns, then this is 5%. Then how much is 100%? Okay. If you want 25,000 if you want 25,000 returns from the market, then this will be 5%, and 100% is something like what? 5 lakhs. Sorry, 5 lakhs of rupees. Okay, this should be your capital. So please add this 5 lakhs rupees into Demat account, and if it is giving 5% returns, then that will be 25,000 rupees, right? 25,000 rupees. So this is the calculations which I have told you in the webinar, and don't go for the above 5% returns, because if you're willing to gain the profits, you should be willing to lose the profits also. But when you're having अगर आप, सॉरी यार मैं इंग्लिश में ही बोलते जा रहा हूँ, कोई हिंदी के लिए रिक्वेस्ट ही नहीं किया था। हिंदी चाहिए, हिंदी में अंडरस्टूड है कि इंग्लिश में अंडरस्टूड है? हिंदी में समझ सकते हैं कि इंग्लिश में समझ सकते हैं? या हिंदी इंग्लिश फाइन, ओके। अगर आप 25,000 रिटर्न चाहते हैं तो आप 5% है, आप 5% कैपिटल, 5% ऑफ द रिटर्न्स, एंड the 100% should be 100% should be your 5 lakhs rupees. Okay, don't target above 5%, because in the advanced to basic to advanced, in the middle of the basics to advanced stage, this is very risky. Okay, you will not, you should be probably you don't have that much confidence on your trades. I know, guys, I was there. I was doing that type of trades I was doing that type of trades also. In this trade, I don't have any confidence. I can't put my 3% risk in this one, even if it is 1:2 also. Okay, this type of traders are more riskier. Don't go for more risky. And I have told you, if you need only 5%, you don't have to go for the options. Options is not for you. If you need only 5%, 5% is good enough, right? Even banks are giving 6.4% in a year. and we are expecting 5% in a month, right? Okay, if you really want to try to do this, and go for an Excel sheet and try to calculate, sir. Okay, first, make the columns. If anybody know this type of Excel sheets and MS Office, na, go for an Excel sheet and try to calculate how much money you are going to get if you are making 5% in a month constantly. Okay, you will be amazed to see it. And from next webinar, I'll make this thing works. Actually, I have to type everything, and this will be fine. This will be the next webinar, I think. I'll tell you how much money you can make if you are making 5% consistently in a month. Okay, you will be amazed to see the results at the end of the year, and then at the end of the next year, you will be amazed to see the results, because 6.4% is given by banks, and that's for 1 year, and you have to promise them that I won't remove any money, and all, right? So please look into that matter, and please make an Excel sheet and apply the formulas, and it will be automatically, you have to just draw it only. Okay, so this is the from last webinar, sir. And okay, 5%. Then I have told you that one is to aim for the 1:3, 1:4, and 1:5 and all. Don't go for the 1:1. Even the trade is very much confident. If you are very much confident on the trade, but don't go for the 1:1, because we don't recommend it. You know, and the first foremost important point is, you have to uh, whenever you are entering into any trade, you need to identify 3 points. Okay, first one is entry. Okay, let's draw this one. Entry. If you're in a buy trade, you have to identify 3 points. This one, this point is entry, and this point is my stop loss, stops, and this point is my target. Okay, there is multiple targets also. This target 2 also, but this should be 1:2, sir. This should be 1 and this should be 2. Lengthwise, you can see this. You can see it, right? Okay, lengthwise, this should be 1:3 also. Fine, but you need to identify 3 points. Okay, if you can't identify 3 points, that means you are a beginner, sir. Okay, that means you are a beginner. And beginners has to follow this 90 days of your salary, and only risk 1% in a day, and only risk 1%. You can't lose more than 1% in a single day, and you can't be this 1% should be divided by 3, and you can enter into 3 trades, right? And you have to calculate the how much quantity I need to buy, quantity you need to buy for each trade, how much quantity you need to buy, or very less risky trades. Even if the 1%, even the 3 trades gone into losses, then you will be fine. Otherwise, you will be messed up psychologically. Fine. Oh. Everybody can hear me, or any problem from my end? From my end, do you have any problems, sir? Yeah, okay, sir, no audio. From my end, there is no. From my end, it's fine for me, sir. I don't know. Maybe it's from your end only. Yeah, I can hear you. Fine. Those who are facing the audible issues, and you have to re-enter it. Then you have to admit 3 trades only, and even 1% is gone. Then you will be fine. Otherwise, even a single day, if you're having 1 lakh rupees of capital and you lost 10,000 of rupees money, then it is 10%, sir. You can't go big with that mindset. You have to stick with 1% of stop loss. Okay, if you're having something like, if you're having 10 lakhs of rupees, then 10% is 1 lakh rupees. If you lost 1 lakhs of rupees, then your psychology is messed up and you can't go further. Okay, uh, 5 times re-enter, but no audio. Unmute me. Okay. Um, okay. Then this has to be the money management rules, sir. Okay. So can you please, if you don't mind, it's a personal chat, and can you please share me how much capital you are having right now? Can you please share me, sir? Can you please share me? Yeah. Anybody is interested to share, this is some, yeah, 3 lakhs, fine. 5 lakhs rupees are fine. 15,000, 1 lakh to pay, fine. Fine. Whatever the capital, you can expect 5% of the returns in a month, right? Okay. If your capital is like 20,000, then how much money you can expect? How much is 5% of 20,000? It's 1,000 rupees, right? 1,000 rupees, yes, you can expect from the market 1,000 rupees. There is no problem in that one. If you're having 1 lakhs of rupees, then you can expect 5,000 of rupees from the market. I know that there is a possible way of even making 100% in a month also, but not if you are in, if you can't make even 5%, then you can't make 100%. Okay, just keep the targets very much little. 5% is okay. Even any single trade can even any single equity position, if you enter it correctly, then equity position can give you 5% of your returns, right? Can you agree with me, sir? Any equity position can give you 5% of returns in a month. Okay, even one single equity call, you don't have to pay the brokerages. You have to pay the STTs and all other charges, but that's very less. Yeah. Okay, let me clear this one. Clear all drawings. Yeah, fine. One single click. I'm able to generate that kind. Yeah, fine. If you are able to generate that kind of money, Jayachandra sir, then the point is aim for higher. That's what we are. That's what we are in this webinar. That's why we are in this webinar. I'll tell you what is the basic concepts of this money management, and we have already discussed the basic concepts, and I'll tell you what is the beauty of trading. Okay. Okay. Are you guys ready, guys? Surely this is why we are here. Yeah, fine. Yeah. Anybody? Anybody is excited? For today's webinar. Today's webinar. Fine. Yeah. Just a minute. Solved. I can hear you. Hi, Masan sir. Are you in this webinar? Yeah, that's so kind of you, sir. I really appreciate you. Let's talk some other times. Yeah, fine. I'm okay. Some followers are messaging me on my WhatsApp. So let's close this WhatsApp and okay. Yeah, fine. Then I'll tell you how to, after this basics of after this 1:1 trades, after this 1:2 trades, I'll tell you somewhat like this is, how many people have uh, observed this trading is related to our personality also, and our, everyday natures also. How many people have observed this trading is related to our personal lives also, sir? Okay. Yes, true. It's completely based on our personal life only. How you think. Based on that thinking, you are going to take the decisions. Okay. Yeah, patience. If you have the patience in real life also, you have the patience in trading also, sir. If you have aggressiveness in real life also, then you will show the aggressiveness in trading also, right? Yeah, not less, sir. If you get 5% peacefully, then this fine. Yeah, um, the whole webinar is based on these concepts only. I need to change you the thinking of let's make 100% in a month to let's make only 5% in a month. That's fine for me, right? I want to change you to this concept from thinking shifts. Okay. Yeah, fine. Okay. How many people are thinking that they are patients in the real life? How many people, show me your character, like I'm very much patient or I'm very much aggressive in real life. How many people are aggressive and how many people are patient in real life? So Yeah, I have a dream. Fine. Yep. I was Patience, Moody. Yeah, I'm Mithun. I'm Patience. Okay. Yeah, aggressive in market. If you need only 5%, then depends on the situation. Yeah, fine. Okay. If you aggressive, that's why I'm away from the markets. You know, uh, PSVNA, sir, I'm telling you something. If you are that much aggressive, na, you have to stand on the money management. If you learn the money management, and aggressive people will get more money from the markets. Even I'm something like I have the patience. I only target for 10%, 15% in a month. But aggressive people, if you are succeeded, then you are going to make 50%, 60% in a month. Okay, that's the beauty of it. But aggressive people will blow up their accounts in the initial way, like 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. They'll blow up, and aggressive people feel very much frustrated. Then they start to crack the market, and they'll make more money. Okay. uh, Even intraday I end more a lot with minutes. Yeah, fine. Discipline also plays a major. Yeah, discipline also plays a major role. Yeah, fine. So in the money management concept, I'll tell you one thing. The first thing is, okay, so we have observed the money making machine, right? Okay, I'll tell you what is the money making machine. Whenever we are a buyer, and sometimes we sell some things, right? Okay. At sometimes we'll buy, at sometimes we'll sell. That's fine. What it is actually, okay, I'll tell you. Even if you buy a pen, guys, okay, if you buy a pen, I'll tell you what is money making machine. If you put some money into the money making machine, if you get more money from that money making machine, that is called actually money making machine. Okay. In here we are taking a pen example, sir. Okay. So I'm buying this pen for 7 rupees. Fine. Everybody understood? Okay. I'm buying this pen for 7 rupees. I'm selling this pen for 10 rupees. Okay. This is called a money making machine. Okay. We find the what is money making machine. Everything is a money making machine, sir. We can sell this pen. This laptop is a money making machine. This monitor is a money making machine. This pen is a money making machine. And this phone is a money making machine for others also. Okay. What people are thinking is every businessman is out there. They buy some goods, okay, for some kind of money, for 100% of, for the 7% will be 100%, and they make some money and they sell it. Okay, 10 rupees, they sell it. How much is the profit? Okay, can anybody tell how much is the profit for this single transaction, sir? Okay, can anybody calculate that much fast? Anybody? Yeah, we got 3 rupees. Fine. Any guesses? We got 3 rupees. Fine. 42%. Yeah. Vinay Kumar sir, approximately 42%. Right. Your answer is right. And I'll tell you how this works is we buy some product at 100 rupees and we sell this to 130 rupees. That means 30% returns, sir. Okay. 30% returns. This is a money making machine and you have to do it. Okay. You have to do it. And oh man, this is a money making machine. I'm making money, right? Okay. I buy it at 10 pence, 10 pence at 100 rupee, at 10 rupee each. And the transaction value is 100 rupees. And I sold each pen into 13 rupees. Then the profit, then total transaction value is 130 rupees. To compare with this one, I got 30 rupees as a profit. and the 30 rupees is 30% of my investment, right? Investment, right, sir? Everybody is agreeing with me, sir? Everybody on the right track? Or do I need to explain this money making machine again? Yeah, fine. I'm expecting some more answers, sir. I'm expecting some more answers, sir. Please give me some more chat to this one. Yeah, fine. Yeah, yes, agreed. Okay, this is a money making machine. Just a small break, sir, because are you people are hearing my breathing sound? No, no. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, then okay, I'm just clearing all these drawings. Okay, all drawings. Yeah, everybody is familiar with the money making machine, right? Okay, money making machine. Okay, see in the real world also. Okay, try to observe this money making machine, how the people are making their money by doing this buying and selling. Okay, try to observe this thing. Okay, this is a money making machine for them. This is the money making for the vegetable guy. Okay, this is the money making machine for the breakfast center, or this is the money making machine for this food supplier, or this is the money making machine for the Amazon. This is the money making machine for the Flipkart, right? This is the money making for the Dell. This is the money making for the Nokia phones and all. Okay, try to observe what is the money making machine for them. Okay, okay. Then you have to observe one thing, that this is the money making machine. When you find out the money making machine, you have to apply 3 rules. Okay, you have to apply 3 rules, and this one, better, bigger, faster. Okay, the first question is, how can I do this better? How can I do this bigger? How can I do this faster? When you have this thing now, money making machine, apply these 3 rules. How can I do this better? Okay, let's make this pen example, and let's make this pen example as a reference, guys, because because that will be very much simplified to explain you. Okay, the first thing is, how can I do this better? Better means you have to decrease the investment. Okay, you have to increase the profits. That is what it is, better. Okay, better, what do you mean by better? How can I do this transaction in a better way? How can I do better means, how can I get the more profits from this money making machine, right? Okay, then if I increase the pen value into 6 rupee, if I decrease the pen value, buying cost 6 rupees, if I increase the pen value into 12 rupees, selling cost. Now, what's my percentage of profit in this transaction? Percentage of profits. My profit percentage is like 100% profit, right, sir? I buy it at 6 rupees and I'm selling it 12 rupees. That means 100% returns. Okay, then how can I do this? If I sell only one pen in a single day, even though if I get 100% returns, am I satisfied? I only get 6 rupees in a day, right? I only get 6 rupees in a day. Yeah, whoever is raising the hands, you can send me a chat message, sir. I'm seeing your chats. Okay, then 100% of my returns, fine. But for 6 rupees, I'm not for day in a day I'm get only 6 rupees. Then that is not fine for me. I need approximately 6,000 or 7,000 in a single day, right? How can I do this better? How can I do this bigger? Then the concept comes to, when you fix the better way, try to decrease this buying cost, try to increase this selling cost. Then that's why you will get profit percentage, right? Profit percentage. Okay. Then how can I do this bigger? Bigger means like you have to increase this bigger. Bigger means like you have to sell 1 lakh rupees pens. You have to sell 1 lakh rupees pens, and your buying cost is 6 lakhs rupees and your selling cost is 12 lakhs rupees. Then that profit is like 6 lakhs rupees, right? Okay. But the question comes to, can you sell 1 lakh pens? Can you sell 1 lakh? Oh, can you sell 1 lakh pens, sir? Can you sell 1 lakh rupees pens? Not possible in a day. By doing in multiply quantity. Fine. Give me some thoughts, sir. Not possible. It's time taken. Okay, fine. Go ahead. It's time taken. Okay, anything, anybody distributing to multiple people, then you have to share the profits to that people also. Okay, this is the how the pen market works actually. By doing market, the demand is more. By doing a marketing, where demand is more. Okay, yeah, that's a different concepts of demand and supply, sir. Planning and distribution. Yeah, you have to give the profits to the sellers also. Okay, yes, you can distribute them, but you have to give the profits. Then by advertising, can you sell that pens in that much quantity? Okay, at some point of time, yeah, fine. Then every day you figured out, okay, in a month you can sell, in a month 30 days you can sell 1 lakh rupees of pens. Fine. The faster way is, how can you sell it faster? Faster means you have to decrease these numbers, like 10 days. Okay, 10 days, if you can sell 1 lakh rupees of pens, you have remaining 20 days, you can sell 2 lakhs more pens, right? Then how much will be your profits? Our transaction is 18 lakhs. You know what will be our profits? My brain is little hazy today. You buy the 18 lakhs rupees of 18 lakhs rupees worth pens, and you're going to sell it, but how much? 36 lakhs. 36 lakhs, right? Yes, a voice is not coming. Yeah, anybody facing the same problems? Huh? Yeah, 36 lakhs, you get the profit. Okay. In this one, the better way is fixed. How can I do this better? Okay. How can I do this bigger? Okay. This one is fine. How can I do this bigger? And how can I do this faster? Okay. If you are, if you can sell 3 lakhs pens, then you have to sell these pens in a minimum point of time. Then that is the actual point, sir. If anybody is confused, maybe my explanation is worst, but still, if this is the concept which I want to tell you today, better, bigger, and faster, right, sir? You know, so many people have, even I confused at some point of time that, okay, bigger and faster is same thing, I think, right? Bigger and faster is same thing. Yeah, at some point of time, bigger and faster is same thing, sir. Okay, um, you know, for right now, yeah, I'm clearing. I want to tell you another example. This one, this example will make more sense, right? Okay. Uh, I'll take a Dell product, sir, because I'm having the Dell laptop. How many people are in the laptop right now? Just tell me. I'm in laptop. I'm in laptop. Yeah, I'm on laptop. Okay, fine. Okay, how many? Okay, I'm using a Dell laptop, and let's me think this Dell laptop, sir. Dell. Okay, so for, their making cost is something like 50,000 rupees. 50,000 rupees, and they are selling it to 1 lakh rupees. Okay, fine. We are not watching anything distributors. We are not talking about the distributor. We are not selling about the retailer sellers. I'm not talking about all those. I'm not talking about all those things. But they are selling 50,000 rupees product. Their making charges is 50,000 rupees, and their selling cost is 1 lakh rupees, right? Okay, this is 1 lakh, and the total profits is 100%. Okay, we are not talking about the profits. We just saw a money making machine for the Dell company, right? Okay, so this is their money making machine. How can they better? Okay, they are already better in this way. Okay, they are already better in this way. Hi Manish sir, welcome. And guys, those who joined today, I want to make a simple request, guys. If you are not registered for my registered and you have not given the details, I don't know which people I'm sending the message. Sir. Yes, I got all your numbers from the YouTube, but I don't know your names also. If you know, if you have registered the form, then fine. Otherwise, I don't know your names also. I'm seeing your first time names. Please register. I have sent it in multiple times request that okay, man, at least I should be. Ah, hi, Shane sir. Yeah, fine, fine. I know your name anyway. Okay, please register some form. I have sent it the form for multiple times. Please register in that one. Then I should know that okay, these guys, I know these guys, right? Okay. So this is the better way. They have fixed it. Okay. There is no confusion in this money making machine, right? Dell money making machine. This is the better way. They fixed it. Okay, this is better way. And how can I do this better? Better, bigger means how can I do this bigger? How can they did it bigger? How can I they did it bigger, sir? Bigger means okay. The Dell company is in where? Where this is located actually? USA. I don't know, sir. Can you please somebody enlighten me, please? Where the Dell company is from? Anybody know? Where is this Dell company? Thought distributed it is us based, US based. Yeah. Even I was thinking that US. Yeah, fine. Okay, Texas. Oh, okay, fine. Okay. So how can they did bigger? Because even these people are only selling in USA. Is it a bigger? Okay, these people are selling this product in USA. How can they do it in bigger way? Distribute to worldwide. Worldwide, right? Worldwide sell. Sell this to worldwide. Sell this to worldwide, then they'll sell more pieces. Okay, in USA they are selling 1 lakh pieces. If they are into the world market, then they can sell 10 lakhs of pieces in a single day, right? Okay, how can they did it faster? The same thing. The bigger is actually when it comes the bigger is in actually in the faster way also. Okay, so sometimes the bigger is confusing with the faster way. It's fine for you. Then let's talk in the trading way, guys. Okay. All these things I have explained until right now. We are going into the chats and I'll show you how can you do this in a better way, how can you do this in a faster way, how can you do this in a bigger way, right? Anybody interested? Anybody or excited? Rashikar, you have been explaining this money making machine. Okay, let's apply this in the charts, right? Fine, sir. Okay, let me on the charts, guys. Okay. Okay, can everybody see my chats? Sir, are you seeing my chat, sir? Yeah, fine. Nilesh sir, fine. Yeah, it is visible. You know, I have removed the colors because whenever I enter now, this red candle will gives me heart attack. When this green candle gives me heart attack. And that's why I have removed the chats. So there is no point of chats on the red and green. There is no point from my analysis because even this is a red candle or green candle, that doesn't matter for me. Okay, so everybody's seeing my charts, right? Okay. Okay, let's decrease this thing. Okay, so I'm turning off myself. Okay, I turn off my video also. So okay, yeah, fine. Okay, go for any stocks, whatever your favorite stocks are. First one to write, I'll open that stock only. Which stock is your favorite? Favorite stock, sir. We are going to analyze that stock, ONGC, right? Yeah, ONGC is one of my favorite also. ONGC. ONGC. This is the ONGC stocks today. And uh-huh. Yeah, I bought at somewhat at this place and I exited at this place. This has given me the nice returns, but still I miss this whole thing. Okay, fine. Okay. Is it clear? My chart is clear, right, sir? There's first, guys, whenever you are trading, okay, you have to reset the charts all the time. Okay, you have to reset the charts. Okay, if I'm analyzing in this way, na, then that analysis will go wrong. Okay, if I'm analyzing in here, na, then this analysis will go wrong. This is the pro tip, guys. You have to reset the charts all the time. Okay, whenever you are entering in your analysis, you have to reset it, and you have to reset the charts. Okay, you can click here also. If you are watching this chart something like this, na, you can click here also, you can click here also. That will be reset all the charts. And my sincere suggestion is, if you're watching in a laptop, that's fine. And if you're doing the analysis in a mobile, then that can go like 1,000 times wrong. Okay, don't do the analysis in the mobile, the chart reading in the mobile, because that can go like 1,000 times wrong. You have putted your you have putting your money on the analysis on the wrong way. Okay, if you can buy, go ahead for the 24-inch monitor. Okay, I'm recommending this because if you have to be committed for this trading. Otherwise otherwise it's like you will be stuck at 3 lakhs rupees, 4 lakhs rupees, and your emotions will kick in, and your emotions will be something like you can't go for the 15 lakhs, or you can't go for the 1 crore rupees. Even I'm stuck in there, but still I'm fine. Okay, I know that it will take some time, but still I'm on the right track. I know this. Okay, then you have to go for the 24-inch monitor because the data that's showing you is very much good. Okay, I hide this one. Okay, this much data I can see, right? Okay, I'm resetting the charts again. You have to do it for every single time whenever you enter into any analysis, right? Where can I see the chats? Okay, let me move this chat box to sideway. Okay, then okay, the first thing is, what is the money making machine? And whenever we are making any money on any transaction, that is money making machine, right? Okay, let me draw this one. Okay, for example, I'm going in a long trade. Okay, I buy this thing. My stop loss is here. Okay, somewhat here, because people keep on thinking that, okay, I'm just saying this is a higher high. Okay, this is a higher high, and they want to buy at these places. Then somewhat they'll support this thing to the, okay, this is the trend line. Fine, this is the trend line, and they want to buy it. Okay, they want to buy it, and they entered it somewhat, and their stop loss is below lower low. Okay, I stop loss is below lower low. I entered, my profits are here. Then what is this risk reward trade, sir? How much is this risk reward trade? Can anybody see? Do you want me to zoom in? What is this risk reward trade? How much is the risk reward? 1 is to 1.9, 50-50. Harsha Shetty sir, we don't, 50 is to 50 means 1 is to 1 only, right? Yeah, fine. That's also fine. 1 is to 1. Okay. Yeah. 1 is to 1.9. Sir, audio per click करता हूँ तो वाईफाई और सेल्युलर लिखाता है. How can I solve this problem, Jayesh? I'm very much low in these technical issues also, sir. Okay. And okay, then this is the money making for the traders, right, sir? Everybody can understood this concept. Okay, I entered here, and with this 1 lakh rupees of capital, okay, I entered here. For example, I entered here. My risk is 2%. Okay, in a webinar also, I can't tell you this 2%, because stick with only 1% only risk. Only 1%. You can risk more than, you can risk 1% in a single day. But I want you to know that you can risk 5% also in a single day. Okay, if your psychology is very much okay, you will know, sir. I don't have to tell you. You will be knowing this, when I can enter with the 5% risk. How can I make 5% in a single trade also? I get that. Okay, but you will know automatically. Okay, so if we are entering with the 2% risk, then how much is my returns in this trade? How much is the returns? Is the lagging is very high or normal? Okay for you? How much lagging is there, sir? When you type any single message, then I'll know that the lagging is too high. Okay, how much? Yeah, lagging. So okay, how can I kill the lagging? um, okay, no head, sir. No for reason. Saint, sir, I'm fine. Thank you. I'll get the recording. I'll send it to you. Okay, you'll get the recording, guys. Okay, you will be okay. The 1 is to 1.9, 1 is to 19% is actually the risk reward. Okay, I'm risking 2% in this trade. How much I'm going to get is actually 2.38% I'm going to get, right? Okay, you get 2.38%, right? I'll get 2.38%, and so this is the money making machine. You find out, okay, this is the money making machine for me. Then how can you do this better? Can you anybody tell me how can you do this better way? How can you do this better, sir? I'm asking. Can anybody? Harsha sir, fine. Yeah, how can you do this better? Nilesh sir, futures. Can any guesses, sir? Please, you should be knowing all these things. How can you do this better way? Better means, I already told you, decrease the risk capacity and increase the profits. Decrease the cost value and increase the profits, right? Okay, how can we do this better? I keep on saying that this is 1 is to 1.9 trade. How can you do this better way? Anybody, sir? How can you do this better way? Reduce the stop loss. Yes, Harsha Sethi sir, reduce the stop loss is the biggest wonder in the trading world. Okay, how can I reduce the stop loss? Can I reduce the stop loss from here? Let me clear this. Let me clear this brush strokes, guys. Okay, everything is cleared. And how can time frame change? Okay, reduce the no. Time frame change is a completely different concept, sir. Time frame is a different concept. We are not touching that now. Okay, how can I reduce this stop loss? Yeah, I'm reducing it. When I'm reducing the stop loss, what is my risk reward, guys? What is my risk reward right now? Um, yeah, 3.56, right? Yeah, 1 is to 3.56. That's too good trade, right, sir? Okay, I'm aiming for 1 is to 1.19, right? Right now, I'm aiming for 3 is to 5, 1 is to 3.56. That's a good trade, right? Okay, I'm risking, if I risk 2,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, how much I'm going to get? If I'm having 1 lakh rupees of capital, I'm risking 2% in this trade. How much I'm going to get? 7,000 rupees, right? Yeah, 7,000 rupees, sir. Okay, I'm going to get 7,000 rupees if this trade is hitting my profits. Okay, if the trade is hitting my stop loss, then 2,000 will be gone. Then I'm okay for this one. Okay, then okay, this one is fixed. And okay, this trade take me how much time to take this trade? How much time to hit my target? Okay, we fix the better. We fix the better. I have explained you how do you fix the better part. Okay, this is the money making machine. We make in a better way. Even we can decrease this thing to 1 is to 8.34. Okay, my biggest trade is 1.1 sorry 1 is to 28. 1 is to 28 my biggest trades are until right now. That's a really old days. That's really old days. That's really old days of me. My risk reward is 1 is to 28. Okay, though I have fixed the better part. And then let's go for the uh yeah, I'm asking for how many days it took to tell you this trade reach my profits. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17, right? It took me 17 days. Okay, it took me 17 days. That means 3 Saturdays and days. That means 21 days, or somewhat like 25 days, right? Okay, then how can, is it okay for me? Can you please can I attend a single call, guys? This person is called me again. Okay, I'm just attending a call, sir, please. Yeah, sorry for the break, sir. Yeah, you can hear me, right? Hello. Let me check my, yeah, you are getting my voice also. Okay, how can I fix this in a better way? Better is already fixed. How can I do this? I'm so sorry, guys. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm so sorry. This is an urgent call. Okay, then okay, fine, sir. How can I do this in a better is fixed, bigger? Okay, bigger means how can you do this bigger, sir? Can anybody tell how can you do this bigger? How can you do this in a bigger way? Bigger means something like how can I get more money from this trade? The better is fixed. Okay, better is fixed. Okay, this trade is 1:5. How can I get more money? Bigger means what? How can I do this in a bigger way? Okay. So initially we are selling 1 lakh rupees of 1 lakh pens, and right now we have to make this. We have to make this 3 lakhs rupees of pens. Okay. How can you do this bigger? I'll tell you one single concept. Initially, you are risking only 1% of the capital, right? 1% of the capital. If you want to make this bigger, then risk 5% of the capital. And what will be your returns? Returns, guys. Just tell me what will be your returns. What will be your returns? What will be your returns? Your returns will be how much? If you are risking 5% in this trade, how much your returns will be? If you hit, yeah, the 25% returns. Okay. In the initial way, this is the big, in the initial way, we fix the better part. Now we fix the bigger part. Okay. You will get, you will get 5% returns. You will get 25% returns because you have risked 5% of your capital. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah. We fix the, welcome back, sir. We fix the better part and we fix the bigger part also. Bigger, we risked much to get the bigger returns. Okay, when you have more confidence na, then you can risk 5% also, but you don't know how to analysis, you don't know how to enter, you don't know how to exit, then you can't risk 5%, sir. Initial way you cannot risk it because irrespective of any capital. Okay, when you get the returns, that's a different kind of issue. um, but this is the biggest part, sir. Okay, this is the bigger. You fix the bigger also. How can you do this faster, sir? Okay, how can you do this the faster means this trade took me something like 25 days. How can you do this faster? Can anybody tell me how can you do this faster? Somebody mentioned the already answers mentioned already, but can you repeat it this answer again? How can you do this faster? Anybody? How can you do this faster way? A trailing stop loss? No. Sridhar Menon sir, trailing stop loss is a uh, a trailing stop loss. I'll tell you one thing, sir. I have I have my series of mentors. Okay, 8 to 9 mentors. I have series of my mentors. They keep on teaching me how to trade and all. From one mentor to one mentor, one mentor to one mentor, I keep on shifting. Even one person didn't teach me how to trail the stop loss, sir. If you are thinking how to trail the stop loss, then that means you are in the beginner stage only. Okay, trailing stop loss is a different concept. After reaching 8 mentors on all over the worldwide, they didn't teach me the trailing stop loss. Okay, how to identify the stock? You wait for the stocks to come to your range, sir. That's what I can say. There is no identifying the stocks, guys. In all the YouTube, people keep on saying that how to identify stocks in 1 minute. That's we are not following. Super words about stop loss. Okay. Okay. How can you do this faster way? Okay. Do you want me to reveal the secret, guys? How can you do this faster way? Let me clean this one. Okay, we are going to enter into the faster way, guys. Okay, this trade took me something like 24 days, right? Can I do this in a single day? Can I make this 1:5 trade in a single day, right? Can I take the trade 1:5 trade in a single day? Because that is the faster way. If you can make 1:5 trade in a single day, then you are going to trade 1:5 trade in the whole 22 days of your this market open, right? Okay, you can take 1:5 trades into 22 days, right? Okay, then how can I'm going into 1 hour chat. Okay, all these are trades, sir. Okay, I entered this here and I exited here. If you want, you can enter at this place, exit at this place, enter at this place, exit at this place, enter at this place, exit at this place, enter it here, exit it here, enter at this place, and exit at this place. All these are trades, right? Okay, all these are trades, and at some point of time, you can identify all these trades. Like I'm just drawing one simple thing. Okay. This is also 1:5 trade, right? This is also 1:5 trade. Okay. Yeah, you can enter it here and you can exit at this place. And this is also 1:5 trade. And this whole trade took me something like 22 days. And this trade will take only 3 days of time. Right, so? Am I giving you something, or it's like wasting of your time also, guys? Am I giving you something? Please type on chat box, sir. I'm unable to see any of your chats. Please type on chats. Yeah. Okay. So this is the way of trading. Okay. This is the core concepts of money management. When you enter into a single trade, okay, 1% risk, 1% reward, fine. Okay, 1% risk. You increase the risk reward. Okay, this is the better way of doing. When you reach into the 1:5, 1:6, then you have to try to increase the risk capacity because you need more money. Okay, 10% capital, 10% returns will become in this trade. Okay, fine for me. Okay, then you have to decrease the time frame. Okay, I need 10% in a single day. Okay, can the market give you these opportunities? Yes, guys. Yes, market can give you plenty of opportunities. Okay, market can give you plenty of opportunities, and we have plenty of time frames. I'll tell you one more thing also. Then we are in the 1 hour time frame, right? If I want to make 1% in a 5 minutes or 6 minutes, in 5 minutes or 6 minutes, okay, let's go for the today's session. Where is this 1 minute chat? And never ever trade 1 minute candles, sir. I really, I really recommending you guys, never ever trade, never ever see below the 15-minute chart also. You don't have to see the below 15 minutes chart. Okay. If you are watching the 1 minute candle, then it will be like messing up the whole things. Okay. If you want to enter, okay, fine. If you know the little bit analysis also, then from right here, we are making a higher highs, right? We are making a higher highs, then this will be our entry. Okay, this is for this time frame support and resistance. This whole thing is our this whole thing is our entry, and wait, this whole thing is our entry, and uh, maybe here is our stop loss. Please, I'm changing my time frame, guys, because I need to see the whole things. Okay, yeah. Uh, for some people, for these people, this is a downtrend. This is making a lower lows, right? For these people, this is a sell, and we are going against the trend because we have seen something. Okay, we are going against the trend, but this is not recommending, sir. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, then we have already fixed this one. Then how much time it took me to trade in this one? Okay, I'm going for the 1:1. Okay, this is 1:4 risk reward trade. This is 1:4 one, and we entered. And how much time it took me to reach my targets? 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and at the end of the fourth minute, I am in 4% of my profits. Right, sir? Anybody having, not any doubts not related to technical analysis? Not related. We are not talking about the technical analysis. So that's a whole different level of education, and I have to teach you the basic concepts. Also, I have to teach you the uh, medium concepts. Also, I have to teach you the advanced concept to try to identify all these things. Okay, go ahead and ask me any doubts, sir. Let's wind up because it's 9:30. Let's wind up, sir. Please, anybody having any doubts? You have 4 more minutes, sir. Please type in. I'll reply you. Otherwise, we are good to wind up. Anybody having? Yeah, it's recording. I'll send you the recordings, sir. No worries. I'll send you the recordings to the people. I know those who didn't registered. Yeah, some stocks for tomorrow. Suresh sir, I'll be revealing one more secret in this webinar. If you want me to give any calls, any call or something, na, and for analyzing any single trade, it will take something like 45 minutes, sir. I can't recommending you, show some stocks. There is plenty of stocks. Every BSc and NSE has their own stocks, sir. For analysis, it will take 45 minutes. You have to be very much peacefully, not at this time. You have to do it when you are very much peace. And how can you got these trades, sir? Yeah, that's a technical analysis part. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Suresh sir, thank you so much. And Madhavan sir, this is very, show some stocks for tomorrow. Yeah, we are having all the Nifty 50 stocks are very good to trade, sir. If you have the right setup of mind, right setup of technical analysis, then good, go for it. सर कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. कोई बात नहीं मिथुन सर, आप 2-3 बार आप इस वीडियो को देखिएगा, मैं आपको रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर भेजूंगा. ओके, please send the recording. Yeah, I'll be definitely sending. Thank you. Thanks very much. Thank you for attending me. Thanks for giving this let me on my video. Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Thank you so much, sir. Those who didn't registered for this one, please, I have sent you a multiple times link is to register so that I should know you about somewhat like what's your name, what's your education qualifications. If you didn't register, please register, and thank you so much. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for coming. I'll really appreciate for your time, and thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I'm ending this webinar, sir. Thank you so much.